internal medicine resident, Dr. Tara Carter. Unfortunately, unable to be here due to an actual work is 10th year faculty, Dr. Matt Yu. Our competitors have been given 3 cases, each with a different history, symptom, and diagnosis, and they are expected to be able to recreate the cough associated with each of these conditions. This includes the actual cough itself and any post-cough manifestation. They're also expected to participate with posturing and facial expression. Each cough will be judged on the basis of participation and appreciation. They've been given 3 cases, and the 4th case is actually a wild card that I have not given them, that they'll have to recreate on the spot. Any questions, competitors?
No, sir.
All right. By flip of a coin, Dr. Allman will be going first with case 1. Case 1 is Matt, 9-year-old neutered male Pomeranian. Physical exam is a body condition score of 7 out of 9, temp 1015, pulse 84, and he was presented panting. His cough is described as a non-progressive, paroxysmal honking cough with occasional post-cough syncope. His workup revealed a diagnosis of severe intrathoracic tracheal collapse. Dr. Allman, you're on the clock.